Hello, Paul Snow White with Applied Molecules. We're going to take a look at AJ13B, a composite filling, surface filling, works with SMC filling material. I found this sweet new lamp from Integrated Technologies at RadTech. It's fully cordless. It's which is great. It has two 18-volt lithium-ion DeWalt batteries. So we're going to try to fix. One of the issues we have with AJ13 is it works great on small spots, pinholes, small fills. But when you have a lot of them in one area, like in the piece in front of me, it becomes time consuming to cure each one. It takes about 10 seconds to cure each one with a spot. And then you got to come back, and if you have 10 holes, that's 10 seconds each. Where something like this, the idea is we can cure a wider area and cure quite a wide area with high power and keep the repair even in a broad area to less than 30 seconds. It takes the light about 10 seconds to warm up on the first use. You just click the trigger and give it a second or two and it comes on. There's a little green light on top that goes green or red. You can see the two batteries in that shot. About 10-15 seconds and you are tack free. That's awesome. Still a few holes here to fix. We'll touch that up real quick. And we are sanding. So you're looking at a fix. This video, I just looked at the times, about 3 minutes. You're looking at a fix where you have someone who's bad at filling in composite defect surfaces. I had to do it twice. So I did two sets of fills, fully cured and sanded in less than 3 minutes. Compared to, a normal body filler, you'd be talking 30 minutes for each set of, you'd be over an hour to fix this type of part. So amazing technology from Applied Molecules, amazing technology from Integrated Systems with their new lights. Great combination. Thanks for your time.